What's going on YouTube? This is your boy the Vintage Man, and today, man, we starting to knock out these unboxings, man. I got an unboxing. Check it out, check it out. We're gonna talk about everything that happened with this sneaker right here. I kind of couldn't believe I hit on these things, and boy finally beat the bots to getting a pair of sneakers for retail. I cannot believe it, man. But before we get into this thing, I need everybody to subscribe right now if they're new to the channel. Ring notification bell for your boy so you never miss any other video. This weekend we do have a super dope live cop coming up. We got a pair of Yeezys and we have a pair of Dunks dropping on the same day, so you guys got to come up, pull up, and let's try to get these W's together, man. Head over to Instagram, give your boy a follow at The Vintage World. You guys already know it's always linked down below, and it's a super simple search, The Vintage World. And you guys already know, man, you gotta go check out Sole Premise, man. Check it out, check it out. This is the best sneaker traveling bag on the market right now. This is what I use when I went to Florida, when I go to Kansas, and different states like that where my family is at. I throw in a couple pairs of sneakers on the inside. I can throw my laptop in if I'm editing on the go, and a bunch of other stuff, man, and some accessories, some watches. This bag allows you to have a lot of stuff, and most importantly allows you to secure your sneakers or wherever you're going on your daily basis, man. So go check out Sole Premise. Use my code TheVintage, save you 35% off right now. Click the link down below. If you got a friend or a family member that loves sneakers, man, trust me, this is a nice Christmas present for them. So go check them out. Sole Premise will be linked down below, and my discount code as well. So with all that out the way, man, let's jump right into this unboxing, man. Your boy beat the bots to the sneaker. Let's get into it. All right, check it out, check it out. And when I tell you guys where I hit it, you won't believe me. So let me show you guys real quick, man. So this past weekend, we trying to get some Yeezys, we trying to get some Jordan 11s, you feel me? And I went on Foot Locker, and your boy was able to hit for retail, like super easily. I hit on these joints for retail. You know, usually if it's a Yeezy drop, if it's a crazy Jordan 11 drop or Jordan 1 drop, the bots are already there. They're already taking up all these pairs, and they're usually kicking me out saying I'm a bot, which makes no sense. You guys know what I'm talking about if you pull up to the live streams. They call your boy a bot. They say I'm a bot. But this time, they let your boy through, maybe because the shoe was a little bit slept on. I do think these will grow on a lot of people very soon. That's just my personal opinion. So let's go ahead and get into these things real quick, man. Like I said, I could not believe I hit on these things. And I kind of want to get through some of these unboxings for you guys, showing you guys what I have picked up over these last couple weeks, man. Your boy been dropping some bread on some sneakers, you feel me? Been dropping some bread on some sneakers, but it all is going to a good place. To the sneaker collection, I got to get the sneaker collection back right. I sold a lot of my sneakers, believe it or not, and just time to re-up on some sneakers that I took an L on, and some sneakers I need to go back and add to the collection. So let's go ahead and get these things out of the box, man, real quick. What do you think your boy copped, man, for retail from Foot Locker? I know some people already fast forward and stuff like that, but I gotta show you guys what I copped. I was super excited about this one. It was, like I said, it was under the radar. Not a lot of people really, I don't know if they don't like it or if they just don't like it because it's not hyped up. I don't know what the issue is. I really like this colorway, so let's go ahead and get into it. You have the brown box. You have the brown box. It's either a pair of 350s or it's a pair of 380s, man. Check it out right here. Your boy picked up some 380s. If you guys, like I said, was on live cop, you guys know what your boy picked up. These are the Yeezy Boost 380 highlight, and highlights. I had to get these things size 9 gang. You guys already know. This is just something that I want to add, man. I'll have a lot of 380s in the collection. Some of the 380s that I have been trying to get, I guess, are more on the hype end of things. It's just hard to get, you know, the bots always beating you to it. But this one right here, like I said, I beat the bots this time. Your boy beat the bots this time. Hopefully, I can start hitting on a lot more stuff. You guys have now seen me hit on Sneakers App multiple times, like multiple different weeks on different crazy drops. I hit on Foot Locker, which has never happened. They always calling me a bot. And now we got these beauties right here. I cannot wait to check them out in hand. And oh my God, bro. Just like the breads yesterday, these things really are catching my eyes. I know a lot of people gonna say they trash, but for me, I really love these things, man. So I've been going crazy. I said I'm gonna get the Yeezy collection back right. We got the highlight 380s, and we have the bread Yeezy 350 V2s. I already know this one is better than this one, but just adding something new to the collection. This is something that possibly could, you know, gain some value, gain some hype behind it, depending on what Kanye does. But you guys already know these are solidified, probably what, top 3, top 5, maybe even #1 Yeezy 350 V2 ever released. I just unboxed these things for you guys. I had to pull that resale trigger on these, and your boy pulled that retail trigger on the highlight 380s. Super vibrant sneaker. I love the colorway. It's just something new. I know a lot of people ain't digging them out there. You guys can let me know if you think they trash. Let me know if you think they fire. But like I said, for me, I like getting different stuff. I like adding new things to the collection, seeing what kind of outfits I can rock with them. But this one right here, it has to be like a simple wear. Let me grab the other one out the box real quick. I think these come with extra laces as well. So you get some extra laces in here. Let's go ahead and pull this out real quick. Yeah, some extra laces. And then you have the right shoe right here, man. Check it out, check it out. The 380 is already a super weird looking sneaker, like some alien, crazy, futuristic vibes with the sneaker. And I don't see a lot of people rocking 380s, for one. And for two, I don't see a lot of people that's going after these highlights. But it was just surprised me that I hit on Foot Locker. You know, Foot Locker usually saying I'm a bot. They saying, no, you're banned from this website and stuff like that. Your boy got to cancel out. Damn near shut down my old computer just to go back to check out what Foot Locker has on the site. And this time, super easy. And the funny thing is, I did not even really know I hit on this sneaker until I got an email like the next day. And then, you know, Yeezy Supply, they sold out instantly. And then Foot Locker, they probably still have sizes available. I honestly don't know, but I don't care. I get what I like, I buy what I like. And you guys already know we gotta throw these things straight to the feet, you know what I'm saying?
Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on blinking, she icy. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the doorman just whole team here might need some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer. If you're down in my management, I'm just warming up, wait till I old producer saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the town where you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring and you tough enough. Wanna get you new things with your pockets dull. Run it up. I used to be quiet and out of luck. Now I move up and move humble cause the hate and the jealousy. My mama telling me count up your blessings and run it up. Nowadays nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's I got wifey.
Like, when is the last time I've told you guys I hit on Foot Locker or something like that for some Yeezys? I know it's been a long time since that has happened. But this time, I took full advantage of the opportunity I had in front of me. They added them to the cart super easily. So I was like, yo, I want this pair, so let me get it. I don't want to have to go through GOAT. That's like a longer process. I bought the sneaker on Saturday and then got here on Tuesday. So that's super fast shipping. So I appreciate Foot Locker for sending these things over for your boy. I want you guys to give me your honest opinions, your honest thoughts over these joints right here. I threw them on feet. I show you guys how they look. I know a lot of people aren't feeling them. Maybe they are. I'm not too sure. Let's check the resale value on these real quick. So these joints are actually going for under retail. That's surprising, man. I did not know that. I just unboxed them and I was like, yo, I really like them. And when I hit them initially, I thought I got lucky. But after looking at the resale prices, going for under retail for $164, I probably could have saved money with buying them on GOAT. That's tough, that's tough. Thank you guys for pulling up to the video. Leave a huge like, subscribe if you are new so you miss none of the unboxings. We got a bunch of unboxings due. We have another package coming in from GOAT. I don't know, I've just been going crazy with the sneakers this year, man. Like I said, this upcoming Saturday, we do have a crazy live cop for some dunks. And we have those Sand Top or the Sand 2Pay Yeezy 350 V2s that your boy gonna try to get and review for you guys. Again, leave a huge like on this video. Let's get this up to 400 likes for this dope unboxing. Just showing you guys what your boy picked up and what your boy beat the bots to this time. Head over to Instagram, give your boy a follow at The Vintage World. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.